Very good evening to all of you. In this video, I will be talking about what is pharmacology, what is pharmacodynamics, what is pharmacokinetics, and what are the different branches associated with the field of pharmacology. Now, let me first tell you what is pharmacology. Pharmacology is a science which actually deals with the biological systems and the chemical substances being administered to the body. A drug is any chemical substance which has biological response and which changes the biological atmosphere of the body in to either benefit in treating the ailment or to change the physiology of the body in order to prevent, mitigation or control the disease. So the field of pharmacology is the specific field of science, medical science, which deals with the interaction of drugs, study of interaction of the drugs with the biological systems. Pharmacology is very important field of medical science as it studies in depth the composition, the characteristics of chemical substances which have a particular biological response or physiological response in the body. Pharmacology has two branches. One is pharmacodynamics and the another is pharmacokinetics. And the pharmacodynamics is the field of pharmacological science which deals with the study of how the drugs affect the human body or biological systems. And the pharmacokinetics is a branch of pharmacology which studies how the body affects the drugs. That means how the body interacts with the drugs, like which includes liberation of the drug from the dosage forms, absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of the drugs. It is also known as like ADME pathway. Pharmacological science was developed in 19th century, where the first pharmacological department was set up by Rudolf Bacchum in 1847. Thereupon, the first branch in a University of London in England was set up in 1905. The father of pharmacology is being owned by Oswald Schmidberg, and he is regarded as the father of pharmacological science world over. In pharmacology, we study how the drugs are being discovered, the process of discovering is also a part of the study of or the branch of pharmacology. Preparing the chemical composition of any drug is also a part of the branch of pharmacology. Developing any drug which has a specific role in the human body or the biological systems is also a part of the field of the branch of pharmacology. Pharmacology is different from what is confused with the field of pharmacy. Pharmacy is a medical profession, whereas pharmacology is a specific branch of pharmacy which studies the effects of drugs, the chemical compounds, in order for treatment, mitigation, or cure, prevention also of the ailments or the diseases. In field of pharmacology, we specifically study about everything about the drugs. And as you know, there are around 11 systems in human body, like immune system is there, circulatory system is there, the nervous system is there, urinary system. So in this manner, there are around 11 systems in human body, and pharmacology is also has been characterized based specifically upon the systems of the human body. Pharmacology is also in wider perspective. Pharmacology studies are included in epidemiology, and in recent years, several branches of pharmacology have been developed and have been structuralized in order for specific study or to focus on a specific area of studies. Pharmacology involves finding out the drugs, and specifically it deals with how particular drug for particular ailment is being discovered. It also deals with a lot of animal models which have been designed and developed in order to do the experimentations. So, in overall perspective, pharmacology is an experimental branch of medical science. There are two types of research in order to find effective drugs for our consumption and for treating the diseases. These are like the first one is the preclinical studies, which are being studies, experimental studies carried out on various species of animals like guinea pigs, mice, mouse, and the clinical studies which are conducted on human trials, and they are also known as human trials. The clinical trials are being divided into different phases like phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 and phase 5. It takes around 30 years or 25 to 30 years for any particular drug to be developed and to come in the open market, and it costs around billions of dollars. The drug development, the drug design are also a part of the field of branch of pharmacology, and the effectiveness of the drugs are being researched specifically to find out more effective drugs to treat the ailments or to prevent the ailments or for the mitigation of the ailments or to find the cure. That's it in this video. If you do like my videos, if you do like my talk, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's a request for you, to all of you. I will meet you in next video with some more interesting topics related to the medical science, and also I will also upload videos related to the business field and specifically the pharma business. That's it. Signing off. Devansh Mehta, M Pharm MBA.